Hello everyone, I am Joanne Gary Magayon Dichi, Grade 2, Goodness of Osmeña Colleges Elementary School.
Kada langhap sa hangin, pansin ko na lagi na lang usok. Walang malinis, halos puro pollution. Parang ako raw na konsumisyon.
Nestled in the heart of Barangay Kinamaligan, Masbate City, a hidden gem awaits, the Kinamaligan Boulevard.
Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a place to connect with nature, the Kinamaligan Boulevard has it all. Immerse yourself in the beauty of our surroundings, breathe in the fresh air, and feel a sense of peace wash over you. At the Kinamaligan Boulevard, discover the magic of Kinamaligan, Masbate City. Visit us today!